All right, welcome to my backyard again. Sunny days have been so hard to come by now. I have another portable solar panel to look at. This is a NURZVIY 100 watt folder. This is the smaller of two they make. They also have a 200 watt. They contacted me, sent me this with no strings attached, asked me to provide my feedback. And I thought I would do that on video. The first thing that caught me, and I have not even unpacked it yet, is I started to open it up, and this is a chonkin box. Double layer cardboard, and just like the Blue Eddy stuff, it's a box within a box. So you have two double layer boxes, and then the contents. So it is then wrapped in foam inside of that. And here's the panel. And I think the adapter kit just flew off the front. So here's the panel. Let's get it out of this plastic sleeve. Ooh, I like. Instruction book was in the sleeve. And for adapters, it looks like there is a single cable. It is a single multi-function cable. We've got MC4 on that end, and on the other end it looks like Anderson, XT60, and what looks like DC 8mm or DC 7909. We'll find out here in a minute. Instruction book. And this is the panel. It is it is not sewn together. It feels like it is 100% laminated construction. Oh, magnets. Magnet holding the handles together here. That is super nice. There's a pocket in the front. Okay, there's the output. So they give you, looks like maybe 2 meters of MC4. Yeah, probably about 10 feet of MC4 in this pocket, and then you connect that to your adapter. So we'll go ahead and do that, because we will have to do that. So there we are, combined. So that's about a meter, that's 2 meters. You probably got 12 foot of cord there. And it has pop-out legs that are also magnetically fastened there. There is no Velcro on this. I like it. Everything is magnets. So let's open it up. It is a quad fold. Also magnets holding the leaves together. No, those are snaps. Okay, so it snaps in the middle. Everything else is magnets. So that is 100 watts there. Let me see if I can get it on my table here. The table is not quite big enough. Let me re-angle. I'll set this down in the grass, and we'll go from there. All right, so we have laid it out in the grass. I was definitely very careful to lay it down and pull it back so there are no grass blades blocking the panels. Again, this is fully laminated, rigid construction. This is ETFE, which is the preferred for longevity. I really like the look of this panel. So again, I've got the adapter cord connected here. We will try the AC2A first. Plug that in. Try to shield the display. Fortunately, these Blue Eddy displays are pretty bright. You can see them in good light. I just heard it click. It's walking in. 40 watts, 52 watts, 61, 68, 72. There's some high wispy clouds, but oh, I feel it getting darker. 77. 78. 79. 84. For a 100-watt panel, I like it. That's pretty good. So that's using the AC2A with the MC60. Let me try to connect it. We'll connect it to the EB3A with its 7909 port here. I just heard it click. I can't even see it. 62, 70, 78, 82, 84. I guess whatever was up there has moved a little bit. 86, 86 watts. That is fantastic for a panel that size. It folds down to, that feels like 14 or 16 inches by 20 inches. I like it. That is a nice panel. I like the magnets. Let's fold it up. So folded up, it's literally that. And then there is a snap there, and there's a snap there. Done, other than the cords. But pop the snaps, fold it open. You do have to sort of fight the magnet on the foot there. I was trying to fold it out by pulling up here, and it wasn't liking that, but fold it out. It also has some double Velcro or double strapping there, elastic bands, so it sort of self stows, very easily angled. I like it. The NURZVIY 100-watt folding panel.